So we are unboxing our 24-inch fire pit purchased from Amazon. That's the model number. That's the box. And this is what was inside the box. Okay, so this is gonna be, and the legs are adjustable. This is a 24-inch, and it comes with a lid to cover it. This is a ring to sit the gas tank. We got that grill, our manual, and then 3 bags of rocks. And I'm gonna show you once it's all together and ready to go. Stay tuned. So this is already with the rocks and connected to the tank. I do recommend you, if you don't have one, buy this gas valve. As you can see, that one, it costs like less than $20, also in Amazon. All right, I'm gonna show you how it looks when it's on. Okay, so as you can see, it's working. Our 24-inch fire pit. And again, this comes with a long hose. It has an automatic ignition started. The legs, again, you can fold the legs for easy storage. The ring for the tank, the grill, strapped, so you can also storage, and the lid. Our manual, and it looks awesome. So I'm gonna show you right now how to start it. Okay, so push in, open, off. So to turn it on, so you gotta do is push, turn, there. You can bring the flame low if you want, and then you can do high flame. There you go. That's our 24-inch fire pit. I do recommend it. It cost me, this one I got it with the coupon of $20 off, from $179 plus the $20 or $30 off. I don't remember, but I was lucky that they had this coupon. I pay $129 already included, and I live here in California. All right, if you buy it, enjoy it. Now it's ready to be stored. Ready for the storage.